For most of history, one thing never changed. A human made the final call. Systems could recommend. Tools could advise. Machines could calculate. But a person decided. That pause before approval mattered more than we realized. And today, that pause is disappearing, not because of one invention, but because of a small group of companies shaping how intelligence itself is built. To understand where AI is going, you first need to understand who is building it. Here are the 9 most influential AI companies in the world right now, and why each one matters. OpenAI. OpenAI was founded in 2015 and is led by CEO Sam Altman. It's widely considered the company that triggered the modern AI explosion. With ChatGPT reaching hundreds of millions of users, OpenAI didn't just release a product. It normalized daily interaction with large language models. Valued at over $500 billion and potentially climbing much higher, OpenAI helped turn AI from a research topic into an everyday decision-making assistant. Anthropic. Anthropic was founded in 2021 and is led by CEO Dario Amodei. Built by former OpenAI researchers, Anthropic focuses heavily on AI safety and alignment. Its Claude models are designed to be more cautious, interpretable, and constrained. With a valuation estimated well over $100 billion, Anthropic represents an important shift. The realization that power in AI doesn't just come from scale, but from trust. xAI. xAI was founded in 2023 by Elon Musk and is tightly integrated with the X platform. Its Grok models are designed to operate in real time, pulling information directly from live data streams. With reported funding valuing it near $200 billion, xAI shows how AI is merging with social platforms, information flows, and influence itself, not just productivity tools. Google DeepMind. DeepMind traces its roots back to 2010 and is led by Demis Hassabis. Now part of Alphabet, DeepMind represents the deepest research arm in AI. From AlphaGo to Gemini, DeepMind's work has pushed the boundaries of reasoning, science, and general intelligence. Backed by a parent company valued near $2 trillion, DeepMind illustrates how AI research and global infrastructure are becoming inseparable. Meta AI. Meta, led by Mark Zuckerberg and Meta's internal AI leadership, took a major turn with the release of its Llama models. While Meta itself was founded in 2004, its AI strategy accelerated sharply after 2023. By open-sourcing powerful models, Meta changed how AI spreads, enabling developers, startups, and even governments to build systems that don't rely on a single provider. With a market cap near $2 trillion, Meta's influence comes from distribution, not just innovation. Mistral AI. Mistral was founded in 2023 and is led by CEO Arthur Mensch. Based in Europe, Mistral has quickly become one of the most important non-US AI labs, with a valuation exceeding $14 billion. Its open and efficient models reflect a growing global push to decentralize AI power and reduce dependence on a handful of American firms. AI21 Labs. AI21 was founded in 2017 and is led by co-CEOs Amnon Shashua and Ori Goshen. Based in Israel, AI21 focuses on enterprise-grade language models like Jamba and Maestro. Valued at over $1 billion, the company emphasizes reliability, long-context reasoning, and business integration, signaling how AI is becoming deeply embedded in corporate decision systems. Alibaba AI, including its Qwen models, are part of a much larger strategy inside Alibaba Group. Founded in 1999 and led by CEO Daniel Zhang. With a market cap over $200 billion, Alibaba's AI development reflects China's approach, building large-scale models tightly integrated with commerce, logistics, and government-aligned platforms. This shows how AI development is diverging across geopolitical lines. NVIDIA, founded in 1993 and led by CEO Jensen Huang, may be the most important AI company that most people don't think of as an AI lab. With a market cap exceeding $4.2 trillion, NVIDIA supplies the hardware and software stack that makes nearly all modern AI possible. From training massive models to deploying them at scale, NVIDIA controls the physical layer of intelligence itself. Taken together, these companies don't just build tools. They define defaults. They decide how AI is trained, where it's deployed, and how it's trusted. And when defaults change, behavior follows. This is where the shift becomes deeper. As AI systems improve, humans don't disappear, but their role changes. Instead of approving individual decisions, people approve systems. If a system has a strong track record, its output becomes the starting point, not a suggestion. Oversight moves from constant involvement to occasional intervention. At first, this feels efficient. Reviewing every decision slows things down. Double-checking becomes redundant. Human judgment starts to feel like friction. Over time, that friction is designed away. In finance, transactions are approved in milliseconds. In logistics, routing decisions update automatically. In hiring, filtering happens before a human ever looks. A person may still review exceptions, but the decision has already been made. Once that happens, responsibility begins to blur. If an AI-driven system makes a harmful decision, who is accountable? The engineer who trained the model? The executive who approved its deployment? The company that supplied the infrastructure? Often, responsibility becomes distributed. And when responsibility is distributed, correction slows. This is why the most powerful AI systems aren't the ones that can do the most. They're the ones that decide without asking. Not because they were designed to replace humans, but because speed quietly replaces deliberation. As systems become the default decision makers, humans adapt to the system's pace. Waiting feels inefficient. Questioning feels unnecessary. Opting out feels risky. Automation turns into dependency, not through force, but through convenience. The most important moment isn't when AI makes a mistake. Mistakes can be fixed. The real shift happens when people stop noticing the difference between a recommendation and a decision. Because once that line blurs, control doesn't disappear. It moves upstream into design choices, data selection, and optimization goals. The future of AI won't arrive with a single breakthrough. It will arrive through quiet handoffs. Moments where humans step back and systems step forward, not because anyone planned it, but because it felt reasonable at the time. The real question isn't whether AI can replace human judgment. It's how often we'll notice when it already has.